Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and having great time at home. I welcome you all to the Smart School e-lesson classroom. Let's see what are we going to do today. We will learn about the capital E and the small e and its sound eh. We will also learn the words that begin with the sound of eh. We will also learn the correct formation of eh. So let's begin the class. This is the capital E and this is the small e and its sound is eh. Carefully and repeat the sound and the words after me. Elephant, elbow, eggplant, envelope. Now let's see how we can write
Around the nest, then down to the broken egg. Egg. Around the nest, then down to the broken egg. Elephant. Round and up and down and stop. Elf. Round and up and down and stop.
Practice writing on the green board. Start from the middle of second and third line. Go round and up, touch the second line and come down and make a curve between second and third line. This is your day 2 task. This task should be done in your Smart Language workbook. Practice writing in the hollow letter as many times as you can with different pencil colors and color the pictures as well. And on page 12, you need to write A in the hollow letter as many times as you can, color the picture and write A with pencil. This is your day 4 task. This task should be done in your notebook. On the first page, you need to write A as many times as you can in the hollow letter. And you need to color in any picture that begin with the sound A. And on the second page, you need to write A as many times as you can. So best of luck, everyone. So let's see what have we learned today. We have learned the capital E and the small e and its sound eh. We have also learned the words that begin with eh, like egg, elephant, elf. And we have also learned to write Great job, everyone.
A, B, C, D, E.